Okay, let's get started on a quick demo of the LEED component to the Autoprogram platform. We're already set up. We've got our project programs done. Budgets are all done. We're going to jump right to the LEED. We're going to pick our state. We're going to pick our city. And again, all the program information, smart information, budgets are already preloaded. We're going to pick our finish level, architectural and finishes, and that integrates with the picture you see to the upper right. We're going to pick the higher level just for this demo. You can see there's it gives you a feel of the architectural finishes that are allowed. If you hit the text button, you're going to see some outline specs of what's going on. We'll close that out. And the final main thing you have to do is for furniture, we want to pick, we'll go for a premium level. Again, the picture you can take a look at if you want. We'll skip that and we'll jump right to the warm shell, which is a continuation of the construction part of the budget. It doesn't really apply as much to LEED, but it's a good checklist to have for your construction. Things that should be included in your lease, they are not included in the construction budget. Base building, we call it. So if these things aren't in there, you want to make sure and get those in the lease or add them to your budget later. Anyway, continuing ahead, let's hit the LEED button. Let's get to it. We click on that and bang. As you can see above, we've got all the construction costs, furniture costs, voice and data, all the way down the line. If you hit on any of these blue links, like anything else, you're going to get all the backup, all the takeoffs, trade by trade, item by item. Again, we'll skip right ahead to LEED. Hit calculate. It's at 0 right now. There's our questionnaire. Now you're on our LEED page. This is a tenant improvement tool. It's going to question, it's got questions for base building, the building you're going to, some basic criteria to get some basic, is it a certified building, etc. Does it have this or have that? And that'll get your basic LEED points. And then you really pick between the 4 levels. You can pick, actually you can do certified, silver, then you can run it. You could hit gold and run it. We'll hit gold. You can run all 4 and compare the prices, but this is gold. You're going to get a fact sheet that pops up. It's an Acrobat file. We'll close that out. We'll skip ahead. Keep this quick. And once we've set that up, we're 38 LEED points for gold total. We'll hit continue. We'll hit OK, run it, and bam, all the LEED costs are done. Again, the blue icons, you can click on that, which we'll do. $8.53 a foot. We'll click on the LEED items, and there's your backup. And we'll just scroll through a little bit to give you a feel for what's going on. It's got all the items, a good, very accurate budget. We had this tested against 4 live projects with 2 different general contractors that actually already bid, came in within 4 to 6% of the bids. And again, this is just more of a scope, very accurate scope calculator. LEED fees, you're not getting LEED points for these items, but they're things you should consider. You may not use all of them, but your architectural engineering escalated fees, LEED consultant, filing fees, so forth. So this just gives you a little bit of feel for that. So those are all your LEED costs. We'll back out of this. You've got $13.49 a square foot, and that integrates into your overall budget. Basically everything's here. Everything but the broker's fee and the, I guess the real estate attorney. Pretty much everything else is here. Backing out to my projects page, everyone who has a password is going to have their existing programs, existing budgets. You can edit, copy, rename, create new ones. This is your login with all your files. We'll log out just to wrap things up. On the home page, I want to show you that all of our construction costs, all of our LEED costs, everything. We've got over 700 cities, United States. We update this thing every 6 months to a year minimum, depending on what's going on in the economy. If things are escalating certain trades. We've got Canada too. Not as many cities, but the big ones are covered. And that'll wrap it up. So, log on, try it. Thanks.